Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Google Drive for tax return document organization, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. Navigate to the Google Drive website at drive.google.com. Ensure you are signed in with your Google account. If prompted, enter your email address and click on Next. Then, enter your password and select Next again. Once signed in, you will see your Google Drive dashboard. To create a new folder for your tax return documents, click on the New button on the left side. Select Folder from the drop-down menu. A dialog box will appear prompting you to name your folder. Type in a suitable name, such as Tax Returns, and click Create. Now, locate the newly created folder in your drive. Double-click on the folder to open it. To upload your tax return documents, click on the New button again. This time, select File Upload from the drop-down menu. Browse your computer to find the tax return documents you wish to upload. Select the files and click Open to begin the upload. You will see a progress bar indicating the upload status. Once the upload is complete, your documents will appear in the folder. For better organization, consider adding subfolders for each tax year. To do this, click the New button again and select Folder. Name the subfolder appropriately, like 2022 Tax Returns, and click Create. You can drag and drop documents into the appropriate subfolders for easier access. To share your documents with your accountant or tax preparer, right-click on the document. Select Share from the context menu. In the sharing settings, enter the email address of the person you wish to share with. Adjust the permissions as needed, then click Send. To ensure your documents are secure, consider enabling two-factor authentication on your Google account. Visit the security settings by clicking on your profile picture and selecting Manage your Google account. Now, regularly monitor and organize your documents to maintain an efficient filing system. With these steps, your tax return documents will be securely organized and easily accessible in Google Drive. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.